In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone screen becomes black and white. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll down until you find accessibility. There, get into display and text size. And now here scroll all the way down until you find color filters. Here get into it, and now you can just change the color filter for your screen by typing up on that filter's name, or you can disable color filters to get back to default color filter, so now all colors are back on your device. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.